Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, share ko ninyo kung asa ko mukuha og mga free video editor nga walay mga watermark. So guys, if you are interested to continue this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell below and give me some like. And if you have some video suggestions, please don't forget to comment down below. Okay, so if you want some tutorial, this is Cubo and you are watching. I will teach you also, I will share to you, teach and share to you sa ako ang mga asan ako gikuha ako mga free video editor, and then kung saan ang video editor nga akong ipanggamit. Okay, so for the where you can get a free video editor, so you will go to your Google, to your Google browser, and you search there AC Market. So if you will find AC Market, now I'm using my laptop, you'll find you have there acmarket.net. okay, so you can use that one. So pwede din yan, acmarket.net. And there's another one here. Let me check kung pwede pa din to. Wait for a while po tayo guys. Pwede din to, ac-market.org. Pero ako, nag-download ako sa acmarket.net. Doon ako kumuha. Okay? So, if you're using your phone, Google browser, then AC Market, you type, and then lalabas lang yun. Labas yung acmarket.net, pindutin nyo yun, and then pagkatapos download now. Okay, so if you're using laptop tapos na-download nyo na, what you will do is you transfer it into flash drive OTG, and then saksak mo sa phone mo, and then you just install the app. Okay, but kung sa phone kung sa phone mo di-download yun, you just wait for a while na makumpleto yung download niya, and then just click it and then wait for it to install. Okay, if done na yung downloading, you just open the app. Okay, so if you want, there are also modified version sa KineMaster, sa Power Director, and other video editor apps. At doon, it's free. So, no need for you to pay. So, magagamit mo na yung mga video editor na yun without watermarks. Now, I'm using Power Editor. Before, I'm using KineMaster. Yun ang ginagamit ko kasi maganda siya, ang dali gamitin. Kaso, yung mga transition niya, naman siyang transition pero napaka-limited, di marami. Di gaya ng Power Editor, napakarami niyang transition at magaganda at free pa. Madaling i-download. Kaso yung KineMaster mabigat. If your phone is not a flagship phone, maybe you can use Power Editor. But yung phone mo is maganda, flagship phone, you can use KineMaster. And then, hindi naman like mid-range lang yung phone mo, so you use Power Editor. I will also share to you on how to edit how to edit the videos, like also basic only. Disclaimer, I'm not really like pro in editing, but I'm just sharing to you my experience, what I learned, right? Yung mga basic lamang na pwedeng gamitin kasi not a lot, but only few. Just few. Some of the people like asking me like, ano daw ginagamit kong editor sa vlog ko, then saan ko siya makukuha. So may nagtatanong na. So instead of like answering them on chat, kasi napakahaba yung chat ganun, so nakakatamad at nakakapagod. So I will just make video. So if you're interested guys, you just watch this. Okay, I'm also using InShot. I downloaded it in Google Play Store, not in AC Market. If I will read here the definition of AC Market, this is a third-party app. Okay, the ultimate choice for modified, packed, crack apps and games for your Android devices. So I'm using also InShot for my thumbnails. If you want me to show it on how to make thumbnails using InShot, so just comment down below. Let's start with the tutorial using the Power Editor. Ang ingay ng mga chickens. This is my Power Director app from AC Market. Ito na yon. Pag na-click mo na at na-open mo na yung app, ito na yung makikita mo, di ba? This is a new Power Editor. This is updated. Our new project here. Okay, if you will start. So, new project po tayo. It's okay, no like project name. If you want to, okay naman. YouTube, you will use 6:9 ratio. Just wait. Okay, here you can see it here, guys. Yo, click natin to, and then the video that I shoot today is this one, right? Okay, so to guys, right, that's how you import some video. So yung mga video nandito, this one. If you want to import some videos here, right, you just click mo lang yun, piliin mo lang, and then this is yung overlay. So dito makita yung mga nilalagay mo na mga sticker. If you want to put this one pictures, for example, this one, right, this picture. Okay, if you want to put that one there, see, overlay, yung papatungan niya yung original na video. Sticker naman gusto mo to, sticker, this one, example, this sticker, see, overlay, papatungan lang niya yung original na video. Ganun lang, tapos ipili ka ng time. Kung gusto mo mataas siyang mag-stay sa video, tasan mo lang, you just drag this one. Pero short lang, okay, ganun lang, easy, right? And also for overlay, it's okay also videos, example this video. Okay, just click, see, two videos. You know, this is how reaction videos made, right? Familiar, guys, right? They will put their original video there, right? And then i-overlay lang yung mga videos na nire-react nila. See, example, this one, I reacted to this video, right? Here, that's how they do it. Delete natin. Okay, so if you want to see the transitions, guys, for example, cut natin to. So if you want to cut this, kita mo yung pencil here, yes, you click that and then split. Okay, so see, you know now what is split meaning. Here, split. Okay, so for transition, this one, you click that. See, so many transitions here. See this one. So example, if you want more, so you go to get more, and I'm using this one. So you will see later the effects. See, ganun na yan. Then play. See, see. If you will click the video, this one, and then the pencil over there, you go to FX effect. You will see a lot of effects here. Okay, if you want like glitch in your video, you just choose, and it will have glitch, aberration, see, like that. So if we have this one, right, very many effects here. Also, you can remove effects, like no effects, and then you have the freedom to use this. See, wala ka nang babayaran pa. Music, kita mo yan, my notes, diba, ganun. Click that one, just choose audio. For example, this audio, for example, you want to choose audio, okay, you listen first. If that audio is okay, you add. You press that plus sign. Okay. So then you play if it matches to the video. See? Very easy, right? If okay na yung video mo, you save it. Like save to gallery or SD card, or you can share it on Facebook, share on YouTube directly. But me, I will save it to my SD card. You can choose select video resolution like Full HD 1080p or HD 720p or ST means standard definition, then HD is high definition. So if you want standard lang, so 360p, before you produce it, you click settings, then this one bit rate, so I choose better quality. Okay, like i-click niyo yan. Okay, and then okay na. Tapos you produce, then maglo-loading na yan, preparing, then it will save na. You will just wait until it will become 100%. I-cancel lang natin ito kasi edit ko pa to. That's it guys, that's how you do it. I hope you learned something. Ayun, nakita nyo na kung paano ako mag-edit ng vlog sa Power Editor. I think that's it for this video. But if you want more, just comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys, and click the notification bell below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!